and they're off. And early lead is taken by Jobel Success from the outside, Batcom on the farther outside, and Montanapoleon by the rail, and RGA on the outside and about to be. And nearing the far turn, Jobel Success, Batcom moving up on the outside, and Montanapoleon now moving up on the farther outside and grabbing the lead. The lead is taken over now by Montanapoleon on the outside, and Jobel Success by the rail. Batcom remains in third, RGA and about to be, but it's still Jobel Success in the lead, followed by Montanapoleon in second, and Batcom running in third on the farther outside. The last bend for home, it is still Jobel Success in the lead. It's Jobel Success, followed by Montanapoleon on the outside, and about to be Batcom on the farther outside. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line is still Jobel Success in the lead. Montanapoleon by the rail, Batcom, and about to be is moving up on the inside. And finally at the payoff line, it's Jobel Success. It's Jobel Success, Montanapoleon, Batcom about to be RGA.